Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to solve exponential equation. For you to solve the exponential equation, you have to follow the rules of index methods. Okay, let's move into the video. Okay, in this case we can write solution. That is, if you have 128 raised by x is equals to 0.25. 0.25. Then now we are going to simplify the index. We are going to change the decimal point into the fraction ways. Here we can change also into the index form also. If you have 128 is equals to, here we can say 25 over 100. This is, now we change the decimal into fraction. Also, this one we can also change it into the exponential form, where we can say 128 we can keep divided by 2. Here we have 64 by 2. Here we have 32 by 2. Here we have 16 by 2. We have 8 by 2. We have 4 by 2. We have 2 by 2. We have 1. That is, we have how many 2 do we have in 128? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this case, now we can say 2 raised by 7 x is equals to 25 over 100. We can also simplify it as 25 over 100. If you reduce into the lowest term, 25 here 1, 25 into 100, this is 4. Here is equals to 1 over 4. That is also here 2 raised by 7x is equals to 1 over 4. We can also change it into 2 raised power 2, 1 over 2 or minus 1. Okay, 2 raised power 2 is equals to 4 raised power minus 1. Based on the loss of indices, it can be over 1. Also, we can say 2 raised power 7x is equals to 2 raised power 2 minus 1. We can also change it into here, or we can say this is, we can say this is 2 raised power 1. We change it into this one. It can also be 2 raised power minus 2. That is the index form. For the index form also, this one can be 2 raised power minus 2. Then we can equate the equation. 2 will cancel out 2, where we have 7x is equals to minus 2. Then we can divide both sides by the coefficient of x, where we have this is 7. This one will be divided by 7. 7 cancel out. That is, x is equals to minus 2 over 7. Or we can say x is equals to 22 do you have is 7. That is, the final answer is minus 2 over 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.